Hi. If you look at this piece of code, then there's a bit of a mistake here. I wonder if you can spot it. So it says on button A pressed. So whenever you press button A, if true, then you show a smiley face. Else, otherwise, you show a frowny face. So let's go and test that. We press button A and it shows a smiley face. And we press button A again and again. Refresh it. It always shows a smiley face. And yet clearly we have an if statement here. So whoever wrote this code was expecting that sometimes it would be a smiley and otherwise it would be a frowny face. So something's gone horribly wrong here. I wonder if you can spot what that is. If you look at the if true, if what is true? Well, that's the problem. It's not saying what is true. So when you don't say what is true, what it kind of means is that something has happened immediately before that. In this case, button A has been pressed. That's the only thing that could possibly be true. So the computer is reading this code as meaning on button A pressed, yes, if true, yes, you did press button A, show a smiley face. So all this program is doing is forever showing a smiley face. What you need to do is you need to have some kind of condition here. So you need to go down into logic and something has to be something. If something is true, and then you can say what it is that is true. And you could have a variable that you've created. So I could make a variable saying expression. Okay, and on the start, I could set the expression to true. And then if the expression is true, then it makes a smiley face. And I could have maybe another input. I just want to show you how you could do something a little bit different. I could have set expression to false. So on the beginning, expression is true. If I press button B, expression becomes false. So these are Boolean variables. They're either true or false. And now when I press button A, if expression is true, it'll give a smiley face. Otherwise, it'll give a frowny face. So I'm going to click button A. On the start, it was set to true. If expression is true, it gives a smiley face. So that works. When I click B, I will have changed expression to false. So now when I press A, expression was false. Therefore, it doesn't do the first one. It does the otherwise, the else, and gives us a frowny face. Does that make sense? I hope so.